Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I have a Stitch Fix. I have the box right here in front of me. I can pick it up right here. I just slid it open. I wanted to let you know that I did exchange these two items. The Paris hoodie, which I love. I'm just going to hang that there. And I did exchange the Adidas shirt, and it's much better. Just for one size up, just for me to be able to put it in the wash and dryer and not worry about it. The other one fit, the others fit, but I would have had to pamper them, and I'm just not in the mood for that. And this feels much better. This does not bother me on this size, where it did on the other one that was more form-fitted. So I have those that I wanted to just let you know. So I did keep everything from the previous box. I think I've kept the last two boxes, everything, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see what this box holds. You know, I've done Stitch Fix. This is box 91 times. All the information, you know, is out there. I think most of you are well aware about Stitch Fix. I do have a link in my description box. If you are interested in getting your very first box, you would automatically receive a $25 credit to use on your very first box. Once you complete your box, I then would receive, as the referral to you, a $25 credit for me to use on a future box. I do still have the same stylist, which I'm so happy about. And this box totals look decent, but I'm going to close that because I don't want to see. So I'm just going to do this the old style for right now, and I'll try on everything a little bit later. So this is how everything comes bundled. You can get a little peek this side and this side, and we can see what we have. And I have some editing to do, so that's why I figured I can at least do the unboxing here, and then I can try it on later once I get my editing done, and just make it a little bit easier for me. I do like to do it all at once, but this time we'll change that. So I'll do prices when I try on everything. First top is from Glider, Do No Harm Crew Neck Red Medium. It's an interesting red. It's almost like a cinnamon color, and it has like the stitching details. Short sleeve, which I don't mind in the cooler temperatures because I can put the hoodie on, a zip up, anything like that. And then it's just a plain tee. It's a rounded hemline. You know, looks very nice. I'm not gonna complain about that. I don't mind that, especially with legging season, which is, I have jeans on today, but leggings are, you know, something I do wear a lot in the colder months. They're just warmer. This is cute, from Flag and Anthem. Count Your Lucky Star short sleeve tee, dark gray medium. This is cute. This is almost looks like worn gray denim is what it looks like. Here's the tee. Standard tee. Scoop neck. Here's the back. It's cute. I don't mind it. Is it a favorite? Maybe not, but I don't mind it. Next, I have from Market and Spruce, the Maeve Cozy Boyfriend Fit Woven Top, red, medium, petite. I'm not always a fan of these. I mean, I try, but I'll give this one a try. This one doesn't look as big and bulky. Sometimes they're just too big and bulky to wear this. It's a nice, you know, button down, you know, collar, which I love. You know, your button sleeves. This is nice and soft. Not, I don't know if it's flannel. Let me just look. I don't know what the material is. It's 100% rayon. So here's the back. Some ruching back there just to give it shape, and has a pocket, a chest pocket. That's not horrible. We'll hold out on that one. Oh, this one looks cozy. What are we? Market and Spruce, Emma, Novelty. Oosh. They print so small sometimes. Stitch, Chunky Crew Neck Sweater, dark gray medium. Ooh. Do I have this? And this looks kind of big. I don't know if I have this. I'm going to have to look. Honestly, I thought I kept it. Maybe I didn't, but I thought I did. So here's that. You can see that, like, the cable design. Straight back. I could have swore I kept this. I will look. And that's, it says dark gray, but it almost looks black, which is fine. Would go with the dark gray jeans I kept last time. It would go with black jeans that I have on today, which are like more faded. They're not like super black. And then the last item, what are we? Are we another sweatshirt? Oh, how cute. And this is from Skechers. Sketch Sweats Signature Pullover Crew. Purple, a medium. I don't know. God, is that purple or is that blue? Okay, let me hold it up to blue. It's like a bluish purple. And it's cute. It just says Skechers on it. Right there. That's it. That's cute. You know, standard sweatshirt. Well, that is adorable. And that would be warm because that inside has the, like the fuzzy insides. But I don't think overly warm. It has some nice give to it. Oh, I'm excited for that. So I'm going to check to see if I already kept that. The only, you know, I mean, I don't know. I'll hold out hope. I want a shirt like that, but I just don't know. I don't know. And, you know, the others look nice. So, like I said, gotta, you know, at least there's no bottoms. Sometimes, you know, taking off bottoms, putting them back on and all that can be a hassle. So, let me come back later for you. It's about 4:25 now. I'll come back in a little while, however long it takes me to edit, which shouldn't take me too long. And then I'll come back for the try-on. Okay, so I lied. I decided just to try everything on right now so that I can be done filming, and then I'll do my editing. I figured that was a smarter move. So this is Flag and Anthem. Count Your Lucky Stars tee, dark gray medium, $29.50. I think this is phenomenal. I love the fit. Sometimes I don't mind something, like if I have a tighter, you know, skinny jean on, and, you know, I don't mind a little bit of form fitting. This is comfortable, cozy, and I could easily just throw a hoodie on. You know, there's still room. It's not like it's super snug. Was done on the scale this morning. I have lost like 5 pounds. I know it's stress with Patches, who is not doing well. Still, it seems like, you know, she'll eat a little bit one day and then not eat for a day or two. And then eat a little bit and then do the same thing. But, I mean, we are making her people food. Chicken. We bought a piece of salmon because she loves salmon and cooked it and gave her half. She did eat almost the whole half, but then didn't want any more. We tried tonight giving her like real human chicken, not like canned dog food chicken, or, you know, they've eaten human food for a while. I cook for them. She just won't eat anything. So, you know, I'll take the good days and the bad days. Right now she's up here with me and she's not herself. I mean, even her walk is, you can just tell she's, you know. So I just, you know, continued prayers, please. You know, my prayer would be that, you know, she just passes in her sleep and that be that. But I love this, so I will be keeping it. I'm going to step off camera because I didn't think of this and have the clothing over off to the side. So I'm going to try this one on next because it's another t-shirt. This is from Glider and this is the red t-shirt. So let's see if I like this one. So I have the red on. Glider, Do No Harm Crew, red, medium, $48. Well, that's a lot of money. Is that this one? Yeah. I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's the right one. This is so comfortable. Like, collarbone, short sleeves are good. There's plenty of room. And it is like a U, you know, but long enough. I would still wear this with jeans. I have jeans on today, but I would definitely wear it with leggings because it is longer. The fit is good. There's, you know, plenty of room in it. So far we're 2 for 2. Once again, I keep on forgetting just to grab the next item. I'm going to try this on next because I am probably the most curious about this. So let me see what we think about this. So I have the red boyfriend Market and Spruce Maeve Cozy Boyfriend, you know, flannel type shirt. This is medium petite, $45. Thank God it's a petite because I think a regular medium just would be too big. There's still lots of room in it, but I don't want them tight. I think I could open it and just have a t-shirt on underneath or wear it like this. I could tuck it, you know, whatever. But I actually don't, for some reason, don't mind this one. The sleeves, being petite, are perfect. I'm only 5'1". I'm short. But it feels nice and cozy. It feels like it would be warm without it being overly warm. Nice collar, you know, obviously the buttons. Not that I would use the pocket. You know, shirt tail hem, which I'm not always a fan of, but this one's not bad. You know, lots of give. I mean, you know, there's plenty of room in here, so nothing would be tight or be great to wear on Thanksgiving where you know, you're like, oh, ate too much food. Nice and loose clothing. You know, you could pop any, you know, if you had a gold t-shirt, even like a cream or white that would match that's in here. I doubt you would be able to match the reds, but you could wear a tank or a tee underneath and have this on top and leave it open. You know, there's lots of things you could do. I probably would just wear it by itself. But I like this, surprisingly. I don't mind the pattern. I guess maybe because it's not, it's more abstract. It's not, you know, stripe. It's not like a floral or anything like that. And once again, let me step off. I've been doing this the whole time. I am so sorry. So I'm going to give this a try, but I haven't looked yet to see if I already own this, which is surprising. So let's see what I think of this. So this is the Market and Spruce Emma Novelty Stitch. I don't know, maybe chambray. The wording cuts off. Dark gray medium is $65. This is expensive, but I love it. It's loose. It might be a little big. If this is a medium, I don't know, but I'm not mad at it because if I have a comfy, cozy sweater on, a little bit oversized doesn't bother me as long as I have skinny jeans on. Now, I have skinny jeans on today, and I think this is phenomenal. I mean, yeah, it is, you know, definitely roomy. I could also, you know, tuck it under the banding and bring it up and wear it, you know, that way so that it's not as long, but I could wear this with leggings and or jeans. This is so comfy cozy. Sleeves are fine. The fit is actually, I mean, the feel is actually really nice and cozy. Like today it's cold. And I would love to have something like this on today. I don't have a lightweight. The shirt that I had on when I started filming is from Stitch Fix, I think a year ago. But this is nice and soft, and I don't have this. I thought I had it. Did I get it in the past and send it back? I don't know, but maybe I didn't like it. I like it. So far, I'm in trouble once again. So, Sarah Beth, you are rocking it. And then I did manage to grab this and bring it closer. We're going to try this on. All right. I'm in trouble. So this is the Skechers pullover, you know, sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it. Purple, medium, $36, not bad. And it's, I don't know if you can, I see a little bit of purple, but it's more like reminds me of a purple blue, maybe like a violet. I love this. I don't mind Skechers. I wear Skechers shoes all the time. Here's the fit. It means plenty of room. There is banding. I'm just going to, I sometimes will fold up the banding just because it makes the sweatshirt too long. So here it is this way, which I don't mind with leggings. I would like that. With jeans, I would definitely tuck it up and just do without it. And there's still plenty of room. This is warm, comfortable. Sleeve length is fine. It's not overly big. Sweatshirts, I don't want skin tight. I like them to be roomy and comfy. So, am I in trouble? Yes. So let me, I guess, you know, let me take this off and I'll put my shirt on and I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, so this is the shirt that I got from Stitch Fix years ago. It's like the multi-print. So comfortable. I love this because it's not heavy. Not tight. Still looks good. I have jeans on. I can wear this with leggings. I have worn it with leggings. I don't usually wear it with black or gray jeans. I've worn it with blue jeans too, but it looks better with dark jeans. So, stylist picks, subtotal is $223.50. If I buy all 5 items, I save 25%. That would be $55.88. I have a $20 style credit. Whole box is $147.62, which I think I'm going to do is keep all 5 items. Sarah Beth, I think you are just rocking it. You are catching my style. Please, please, please don't stop being my stylist. Don't leave. Don't take another position with Stitch Fix, which I would understand if you did. But don't. I finally, 3 boxes in a row of all 5. Love, love, love. I mean, I did exchange 2 in the last one, but I still love them. So that's a win for her and a win for me too. So thank you so much, Sarah Beth. I greatly appreciate you. She's a gorgeous woman. Gorgeous, gorgeous woman. I greatly appreciate you. And, that's my box. Box 91. I can't believe 91. That's crazy. I've been getting this practically the whole time. It's just unbelievable, right? 4 years, 5 years, been getting Stitch Fix a long time. And, you know, hits and misses, dry spells where I didn't like anything, and then boxes that I liked only 1 or 2 items, and then boxes I loved all. Lately, all 3 boxes. So, I'm happy. Let me know your thoughts. Would you keep everything in the box? Like, I could, the one gray sweater, maybe exchange for a small, so let me know your thoughts on that. That, the bulkier gray sweater, I could exchange it for a small because it was a medium. I don't think it was a medium petite. I think it was a medium, if I'm not mistaken. And dark gray. $65. It was a medium. Could I go down to a small? I don't know. I'm going to consider that portion, but let me know your thoughts on that. And but everything else I love. I'm going to keep it. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate every one of you who watch, and especially watch to the end. I can't tell you what that means. So, have a good day, everyone, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.